When wiring 277-volt transformers, it's important to adhere to specific color codes to ensure safety and prevent confusion with other voltage systems, such as 120 volts. The standard color designations for the primary wiring of 277-volt transformers are as follows. The hot or phasor conductor is typically black. The neutral or phase C conductor is usually white. The ground conductor is generally green or bare copper. It is strongly discouraged to use the same wire colors for 277-volt circuits as you would for 120-volt circuits. This is because using identical color schemes can lead to misidentification of the voltage level, creating potential safety hazards during maintenance, troubleshooting, or any future electrical work. Correctly identifying the voltage is crucial for preventing electrical shock, equipment damage, and other serious consequences. Employing the specific color conventions for 277-volt circuits is a fundamental safety practice. It makes it easier to distinguish these higher voltage circuits from low voltage systems, thus ensuring that electrical workers can readily identify the circuit's voltage and take appropriate safety precautions. Clear identification significantly aids in proper maintenance and troubleshooting procedures. When a problem arises, knowing the correct voltage of a circuit from the outset can save time and prevent accidental contact with energized parts. By consistently following standard color codes, you reduce the risk of electrical accidents and enhance the overall safety of the electrical system. This practice is particularly important in commercial and industrial settings where multiple voltage systems may be present within the same facility. In these environments, consistent color coding becomes vital for maintaining a safe working environment for all personnel who interact with the electrical systems. Remember, the primary reason for using specific colors is safety. By clearly marking and identifying circuits based on their voltage, you're contributing to a safer work environment for yourself and others. Proper color coding is not just a suggestion, it's a fundamental aspect of electrical safety and is often mandated by electrical codes and standards. While specific regulations may vary depending on the location and specific application, the underlying principle of using distinct colors for different voltage levels remains consistent. Adhering to these color codes demonstrates a commitment to safety and professionalism in all electrical work. It reflects a thorough understanding of electrical principles and a dedication to best practices. Always consult local electrical codes and standards for the most up-to-date requirements in your area. These codes may provide more specific guidance on acceptable wire colors and other wiring practices. In addition to color coding, it's also important to properly label all electrical panels and junction boxes with the voltage of the circuits they contain. This labeling should be clear, durable, and easily visible to anyone working on the electrical system. Proper labeling provides an extra layer of safety and reinforces the importance of identifying circuits correctly. When working with electrical systems, always use appropriate personal protective equipment such as insulated gloves and safety glasses. Before beginning any work, to energize the circuit and verify that it is not energized using a voltage tester. Follow lockout/tagout procedures to ensure that the circuit remains energized while you are working on it. If you are not qualified to work on electrical systems, do not attempt to do so. Hire a licensed electrician to perform any electrical work that you are not qualified to do. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it is important to take all necessary precautions to prevent accidents. Proper training and experience are essential for working safely with electricity. Make sure that you have the necessary skills and knowledge before attempting any electrical work. If you're unsure about anything, ask for help from a qualified electrician. Remember, safety should always be your top priority when working with electricity. Taking the time to follow proper procedures and use appropriate safety equipment can help prevent accidents and injuries. In summary, when wiring 277-volt transformers, it is crucial to use the correct color codes for the primary wiring. Black is typically used for the hot or phasor conductor, white for the neutral or phase C conductor, and green or bare copper for the ground conductor. Avoid using the same wire colors as 120-volt circuits to prevent confusion and potential safety hazards. Proper color coding, labeling, and the use of personal protective equipment are essential for ensuring a safe working environment. Always consult local electrical codes and standards for specific requirements in your area. By following these guidelines, you can help prevent electrical accidents and ensure the safe operation of electrical systems. Never compromise on safety when working with electricity.